to chop the Christmas tree for Trafalgar Square. It's a gift from Oslo to Westminster as a thank you for the help we got after the Second World War. And it's an annual event. We're out in Nordmarka, just north of Oslo, and finding the most beautiful pine in Nordmarka to take down and bring it to London.
Says a little lamb to the shepherd boy, do you hear what I hear? Do you hear what I hear? Ringing through the sky, shepherd boy. Do you hear what I hear? Do you hear what I hear? A song, high above the trees, with a voice as big as the sea. With a voice as big as the sea. Oh no, my stick is on fire! No! Let the shepherd boy setting up my ticket. My stick is on fire! You know what I know? You know what I know? In your palace
Can you put it up here? Pick it up.
So what are we doing here today?
Well, we're going to watch the ceremony of cutting down the queen of the forest there. Can't wait, it's very cold.
It is very cold. And what have you done in Norway? How long have you been here?
We only come yesterday at night, really. No, in the morning. Actually, it was really cold when we first got here, and then we went straight to the hotel, and it's been really fun. And we went to the Noble Peace Centre.
Oh, great! And how was that?
It was really fun. We got to know more about refugees and Norway's history.
Great. What other sights have you seen?
We went to the town hall, and we went on top. We went on the roof where the bell was, and we saw all the really nice sights.
Yeah, cool. So, what have you learnt about? What have you been doing at school in terms of preparation for today?
We've been writing poems about peace, love, friendship, and the whole class, the whole of Year 6 got to do it. There's 60 children, so it's a lot, and I was really lucky to get chosen.
So your poems are really good?
Yeah.
Oh, so what was your poem about?
Well, it was about how things can get better, and peace, love, and the friendship that London and Norway have together.
You typify a forest.
Yeah, okay.
You just stand here, right here, and go right here.
Nei, det går bruke litt tid Han stenger av motoren da han får tre litt lenger unna, så det kan vi komme nærmere. Bare setter den på bakken.
Can you turn? That's it. A bit closer. A bit closer, yes, I want to see. That's it, that's lovely.